Okay, so far so good. Now, after lumping, I can blend. Now I can blend the fluids that I want to blend to 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 create just one new fluid. Okay, so blending, you can blend two variants of two wells, for example, different composition, and you will get a new variant with new composition. Okay, so basically you can combine two fluids to create one new fluid. Okay, here you will add two samples, and again you need to match the samples and you can construct new variant. How can we do that? We can do that using this one, compositional blend. So this one, splitting, if you want to split, blend, and fluid recombination, decontaminate. There are several interesting operations, but now I will use this one, compositional blend. Okay, now it's interesting. Now for the variant, I have this one. I will move this window a little bit. Can I? Yeah, this one as the default. Lumping matching variant heavy. Okay, which is, yeah, I want to blend the variant from the lumping group. Okay, and this one is heavy. The fraction 1. Okay, and this is the component. Okay, from the lumping. You see, from the lumping, we only have 16 components from nitrogen down to C12 plus. You don't see C13, C20 plus because it's lumping component. Okay, now I want to add with also lumping, but lumping matching variant light, composition light lumped, and the fraction is 1. Now basically you blend them. Okay, now you will get new composition which are different from this one. Okay, you can, again, let's check. I will remove. So now I only have heavy, and you see the nitrogen 0.022, the composition. But if I add, the composition will change. I will add with the light, yeah. And this is the new composition. The number of components the same, 16, from nitrogen down to C12 plus. Okay, and what's next? Of course, we want to do matching. And the most uncertain component is, of course, C12. Okay, so I want to do matching on the C12. Okay, just as before. So I will click matching, right click matching, and use for matching. Okay, I will include that for the matching. Okay, now I'm quite satisfied with that. I will click this one, matching. Okay,